Hi, this video is meant to teach you how to multiply fractions or to refresh your memory on how it is done. If I wanted to multiply the fraction 3/5 by the fraction 4/7, it's a simple procedure if you just keep it simple. You multiply across the top and you multiply across the bottom. So in this particular case, we would get 12 over 35. Not too hard. Well, can we multiply a fraction by a number that isn't necessarily expressed as a fraction? Well, yes. You can always think of this number 10 as being like 10 over 1. And now there's no difference. I'm just multiplying across. And we get 90 over 8. Do I need common denominators in order to multiply fractions? No. No, I do not. If you think you do, it's because you're getting confused between the adding and the multiplying. If I had 1/3 times 1/4, I get 1 times 1, or 1 over 3 times 4, or 12. If it was 1/3 plus 1/4, you know how we only can add like terms? Well, 3x plus 4x equals 7x. Well, 1/3 plus 1/4, thirds and fourths don't look the same. So that's where you need a common denominator here. But for addition, you do. But for multiplication, you do not. So the last question that we have to look at is, should I reduce before I multiply, or should I wait until after I multiply? The answer is either way is just fine, but if you reduce first, your numbers will be a little smaller and easier to work with. So to give you an idea what I'm talking about, I'll just choose a nice pretty color. If I've got this set up here, 3/4 times 11/9, I notice a 3/9 part can be reduced. It doesn't matter that they're held in different fractions. I say 3 goes into itself once, 3 goes into 9 3 times, and now you can see when I multiply across the top, my numbers are a little bit smaller, so 1 times 11, and then 4 times 3, and I get 11/12. Notice I reduced and then I multiplied across. If I reduce after, then I'm going to go ahead and multiply across right to begin with, and I get 33 over 36. And now 33 over 36 can be reduced because they both are divisible by 3. So now I can say 3 goes into 33 11 times. 3 goes into 36 12 times. So that reduced to 11/12. Now, frankly, I have a little easier time reducing when my numbers are small, like they were over here. I liked the 3/9, and I could see that that reduced. When this got to be such a big number over here, it was harder for me to say, well, what could I basically divide 33 by and 36 by? It was not as obvious because the numbers are so big. So I usually prefer reducing before if I see a chance to. Hope all of this was helpful. Thank you.